In today's video, I'll show you how to add and remove contact records from a static list in Hubspot. Static lists are especially useful when you need a fixed group of contacts that doesn't change automatically, for example, for a specific campaign, event, or outreach sequence. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to add contacts to a static list and how to remove them when they no longer belong there. Let's start by adding contacts. Log into your Hubspot account and open the main menu. From there, go to CRM, then select Contacts. This takes you to the full table of contact records in your account. On this page, you'll see checkboxes next to each contact. Select the contacts you want to add to your static list by clicking those checkboxes. You can choose a single contact or select multiple contacts at once. If you're working with a large number of records, it can help to apply filters first and then select the specific group you need. Once your contacts are selected, look at the top of the table and click More. From the drop-down, choose Add to Segment, which refers to your lists. A panel will open where you can search for and select the static list you want to use. Be sure to choose the correct list, especially if you have several with similar names. After selecting the list, click Add to confirm. Those contacts are now included in your static list. Now let's look at how to remove contacts from a static list. Go back to the CRM section, but this time select Segments or Lists, depending on how it's labeled in your account. You'll see all your existing lists. Find the static list you want to edit and click its name. This opens the table of contacts currently in that list. Use the checkboxes to select the contacts you want to remove. Take a moment to double-check your selection before continuing. At the top of the table, click Remove from Segment. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Review the message, then click Remove to confirm. The selected contacts are removed from the static list immediately, without deleting them from your CRM or affecting their history.